What's going on YouTube? GSNO right here. So in today's video I'm going to show you a great application that you can use to create perfect Instagram stories or TikTok videos or stories for Facebook or any social media application you use. And that is the FocoDesign. This one has over 20,000 different templates that you can use to create perfect stories. So it's available here on the App Store for free, but it does have a premium version as well, which indeed contains a lot more templates. So it's number 58 here on graphics and design, and it does have a lot of things to do. So once you install it, it gets very interesting. So when you open it, it looks like this. You can see exactly what's going on. They announce you that there is a new birthday theme available. You can try it out if you want to. If you have a birthday or something coming up, you can definitely check it out. If not, you can press X. But then here you see exactly what's going on. On the what's new, they post the newest template that has been posted to the gallery. Now they add new templates almost daily, and as you can see, some of them are actually very interesting. Some of them may not be very interesting for you, but some of them are definitely quite interesting. And these include videos or photos. So everything you see in here, you can edit heavily. You can add your photos to it, you can make your own effects and so on. But it's not only based on templates. If you want to do your own template from scratch for video or for photo, you can definitely do so. So you have the option to create frames, you have the option to create watermarks, you have the option to add text to photo and so on. But you also have the templates, which are actually great. If you are a lot on social media and you need to add, more stories or more interesting stories and so on, this is definitely interesting. For example, check this one out. This is a video template, which is completely free, by the way. For those of you who are Apple enthusiasts, check it out what it does. It's basically somebody's hand. They create some sort of holographic display and they have a couple of photos they scroll through. So you can replace the photos in this by just pressing edit. It also has music, but in this case it's muted. And as you can see, this is basically the editor. You have the default photos that they have here, and you can just go ahead and replace them with your own by pressing on them. So I'm going to keep my current selection and I'm going to select this photo of a cat. Press the V down there, and then I'm going to select this one and replace it with another photo of a cat, and then this woman here, and then I'm going to select another cat, which would be this one. And that's basically it. That's how easy it is to change the template. And then I'm going to press preview. It will compile the video for me, which takes a couple of seconds, and you can see that now the whole template contains my photos. So it's a quick story to add on your Instagram or on your TikTok and so on. It looks good. It doesn't have to be cats. You can use whatever you want. So if you're okay with whatever has resulted, you press save and it will continue the rendering process. And that's it. Now you can share it to anything you want. It was saved as a video to your album, so you can really publish it on anything you want, including Insta or TikTok or WhatsApp or Facebook or whatever. So that's one of the templates, but then again you have other templates like this one, which are more sophisticated than that and look very well on a story. So let's wait for it to load, and that's basically it. That's one of the templates. You can replace all the photos in this template and probably even the music. We're going to check out in a couple of seconds. But yeah, that's the template. We press edit. The loading, depending on how fast your internet connection is, may take a couple of seconds because those are usually videos, so they're pretty large, but it shouldn't really take too long. So as you can see from here, we can change absolutely all the photos. So I'm going to replace them again with all the cats that I have. I'm going to replace all these people here with cats, and you're going to see how easy I can replace those with the images I want and therefore create my own version. So I'm going to press preview in there, and as you can see, this one takes a little bit longer because it's a bigger video, but it will create your stuff. So as you can see here, that's your new post. It looks great. There you go. So it's ready to just put it on social media. It also has music, or if it doesn't, you can of course edit it to have music in the background. So it looks nice. You can save it by pressing the save button in there. It will continue to render, and that's it. And now you can of course share it anywhere you want. But it doesn't have to be video, though the videos here are a lot. If you press on the video, it will load for a couple of seconds. As I said, depending on how fast your internet connection is, this will go faster, but my internet connection is not exactly great. And of course you can customize all of them. They even have a TikTok gallery here. So if you want to create TikToks, that's actually great because this helps a lot. Just replace the photos and create a new style that TikTok doesn't have built in. You can create anything you want in any style you want, which is quite great. But it doesn't have to be video, it can be a photo as well. They also have photos, 3D vision, and selections, and the free selections that don't require a premium account. You have the creative here with various effects and so on. So for example, if you want this one, which looks like an envelope with a postcard or something, you can definitely edit it, and I'm gonna edit, and you can replace the photo in there and probably even the text. So let's see what's going on. Now it takes a while for it to load, and after it loads, you're definitely free to do whatever you want. So yeah, there's a font involved, and at this point it says that it needs to download a new font. You press download, don't worry, it takes a second or so, and here you can change both the font and the picture. So I'm gonna select the picture, and I'm gonna replace it with one of my cats, and I'm gonna go like this. And you can even align the photo how much you want of it out and how much you want it in. I want the cat to be, visible. And then here you can change the text. So instead of the as time goes by, I'm gonna say meow. So it looks better, it looks nice, and there you go. And now you can preview the thing, and it looks pretty nice. You can just post it, no problem. Now that's basically it with the built-in templates. There are many of them. As I said, there are over 20,000 templates, so it would be impossible for me to show all of them in the video. So definitely check them out yourself. But I'm going to go a little bit on the photo editor for this because I want to show you how you can actually edit without a template. So once you load a photo, you get this plethora of options here. You can choose a template, which there are many, and those of course are for photo, or you can go here to the store and see all of them. You can see the ones that are recommended, you can see the ones that people search for. But if you don't want to use a template, you can crop, you can add a photo on top of it, you can add text, and if you want to add text, it shows you all the possible fonts that you can use, and there are many, there are a lot of them in here. I'm gonna select this one. It takes only a couple of seconds and it replaces itself, and here you can edit the font. Now you have a text here, but you can actually resize it, you can put it anywhere you want, and of course you can make it bigger, smaller, whatever. You can even rotate it and so on. You can do whatever you want with it. Now after that, you also have the option to create a mosaic, you have the option to markup, you have stickers in here, and there is a store for that as well, for different, situations like marketing or, butterflies or glitter or whatever. There is even Windows 98 stickers here, which is actually quite funny because you can add error messages on top of your cat. Then you have the standard emoji, and then you have labels like those on fruits and vegetables and stuff. Then you have happy birthday ones. Then you have stamps that you can add, like real post stamps from postcards and airports and stuff. And then of course you have tape if you want to add like the name of the cat or the name of the place or whatever you want to patch it up in there. You have crown and so on. So there are multiple of them, and you can add whatever you want in there. You can watermark, you can erase, you can add frames and so on. So the possibilities are really endless, and the only way to actually see what you can do with this application is to get it and try it yourself for free, because it contains too much for me to show in a single video. So definitely check it out. FocoDesign will be in the description down below. The application is free in the App Store. There's also a paid premium version inside the application if you want it, with more templates and so, but you can try it for free right now. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace out.